Hello guys, my name is Kiki. In this video I am going to do something that I have never done before. I bought a 2300 euro worth of customer return box on eBay. I paid 280 euro for this and I will open up this box now. It should be full of multimedia stuff. I know what's inside, but I do not know the condition of the items. And basically the main purpose of this purchase was that hopefully I will find some cool faulty stuff inside, and in the future I can do some good interesting repair videos about this. So let's get started and let's open up the box. I'm super excited about this. And here we are. Looks like we have a lot of cool stuff inside. So what I'm going to do now, I will go back to my table, I will put on my overhead camera and we will check this stuff one by one and let's see what we have got here. Okay, so let's see everything one by one. I think I don't have to tell you how excited I am about this package. I have never done this before and always wanted to do this. The only reason I did this, to be honest, was that when I saw this purchase online, basically, and then I saw that here, this is basically the only vendor, at least what I could find, where you can really see what's inside the box. So you do not know that you buy junk or anything like this. You know what's inside. The only thing which is not known are for sure the conditions. This could be all perfect stuff, either perfect stuff just returned by the customer because they do not like it. It could also be faulty items for sure. This was basically the main purpose why I bought this. Hopefully I will find some faulty stuff. Or could be absolute junk crashed stuff too. So let's get started. This is the first stuff. It's a Razer. It's called Razer Kiyo Broadcasting Camera with Illumination. The box itself is quite well conditioned, quite good condition. We have a really nice USB cable here. And there is a really nice looking camera here. In a perfect condition. So I will not really try anything in this video because this would take forever. So what I'm going to do, I will open up everything just to see what's inside, what is the condition of this stuff, and later on I will spend my time checking all these items if they work or not. And I will make videos from the faulty ones at the end. Okay, so this is pretty cool. The next item is a USB-C port to DisplayPort adapter. Yeah, Jesus. I would not expect anything special. It's just a USB-C to DisplayPort adapter. How it's advertised, but it looks really high quality. And then we have two more of these broadcasting cameras. I just open them up if they are okay or not. Yeah, they are not crashed at least. So what the hell is this? It does not look so good. The packaging itself. What is this? Parrot blue box. Oh, I assume. Oh yeah, I already know what is this. Parrot is basically making some cool, relatively high quality Bluetooth Bluetooth car phones basically. There is also a screen here. As I see, it was already built into a car. Most probably this is faulty. It's also quite cool. This is just a cable. Looks like an 8K cable. Maybe it's an HDMI cable. DisplayPort cable. 1.4 8K VESA certified. And here I have a cool gaming mouse, Logitech G703. Let's crack it open. This is pretty cool. I have a charging cable. Two buttons, with a switch at the bottom. And what is this for? I have no idea. Ah, okay. This is, you can put in some weight here, and then you can change the weight, the mass of this. This is definitely not brand new, but I would say it's not in a bad condition. No scratches or anything like this. For sure, I do not know if it works or not. At least we also have the wireless receiver. So okay, this is not bad. This one is a Microsoft Surface Pen. I have no idea how this works, and the problem is that I cannot even test it. I assume if I do not have a Surface tablet, Microsoft Surface tablet, I cannot even test this. But at the end, this is in a perfect condition. The box not that perfect, but I do not really care about the box. I need to test it somehow. And this is something which is way more interesting for me. This is an Xbox controller. Maybe it's a wired one. No, it's wireless. Cool. I love it. It looks like all the buttons are working. Let's see if I can turn it on. Maybe I don't even have batteries. No, I don't have batteries, but this is easy to test. It's in a pretty good shape. Cool. And I also have a cable for the PC. This is pretty cool. I'm really happy about this. And this one is an NVIDIA Shield controller. I don't know if it's for Xbox or PC or both or PS4, but this looks really cool. I have never seen this before. I love it. Oh my god. This is crazy. Look at this beauty. The joysticks looks okay. The buttons are nice and snappy. I see it's a blinking blue. This is really cool. I love it. I really love it. And it looks like the cable was never used before, never opened before. And this one is also in a perfect condition, not a single scratch on it. Pretty cool. I can't wait to try this out. Rainersect CyberJack Go Plus chip card reader for mobile online banking. Okay. This is crazy. It looks like maybe it was opened before. But I do not know what is this sticker here on the side. As on the other side. I have no idea. Other than that, it looks in perfect condition. To be honest, I do not know. I have no idea how to test this. This cable is again like never used before. So I have to look after this. Check this, what this is for exactly, and if I can use it for anything. Oh, this is also cool. A Logitech MX vertical mouse. This looks really pretty cool. Okay, here is the cable. Here is a USB cable for it. This is most probably for charging. It's the USB-C cable. And what I cannot see at the moment is the wireless adapter. I cannot find it in the box. And it should be here, but it's not inside, so I assume this way this is quite useless. But I find this quite cool. It's quite comfortable, to be honest. It turns on, but I assume it must be charged. Okay, let's see later on what can I do with this. This one is a Razer Siryn X condenser streaming microphone. This looks again pretty cool, pretty awesome. So again, for sure I do not know if it works or not, but that's what it's about. So it's in pretty good shape. The USB port looks okay. What else is inside? It looks like, yeah, there is a heavy stand. This is pretty cool. You can also change the angle, I assume. Yes, it's cool. This is the mounting. Yes, this you tight it here. And then you can screw it to the microphone, to the stand. And there is a nice high quality cable. This one is a Sony Blu-ray disc DVD player. This looks also pretty nice. BDP S1700. There is a remote controller which looks in perfect condition. There is a battery in it. There is the power supply. The warranty and the user manual. And then here it is. Yeah, it's in a really good condition. The HDMI connector looks okay. There is an Ethernet connector and the travel connector to it. Yeah, it's pretty cool. And I have two more of these. I will not open these up. I assume they are the same. And here we have again a nice Logitech MX Master 3 gaming mouse. I really love it. This has this scrolling function also in vertical position, what I really like. If it works, or if I can repair it, I might keep this, because this is really cool. And again, look at this. The receiver is missing, so this way it's most probably useless. Other than that, it's in a perfect condition. Oh yeah. And there is the cable in it. Okay. I don't know why people are sending all these back without the receiver. What can they do without the receiver? Or what can they do with the receiver if they do not send it back? I really don't get the point. This way it's maybe just junk. Okay, and the thrust mouse again with some RGB functions. This is also a vertical one. I hope here the receiver is not missing, or maybe this is wired. Yeah, I can just plug it in. As you can see, it's lighting up nicely. Also here, and it works. It works perfectly fine. I also love this, to be honest. You can also change the DPI settings, and there are 2 additional buttons here. This is quite comfortable. Okay. At least this one I know works. And the next one, it's again something like an Acer stylus. I assume this is for an Acer tablet. Yeah. Cannot really test this, so these are, I have no idea if they work or not. And then it looks like a Varta battery charger plugged in foil. Cool thing about this, what I like, that there are 4 AA rechargeable 2100 mAh batteries. I'm happy about this. I have no idea if this works or not, but maybe something that we can repair in the future. But it's again in perfect condition. Looks like this top part where the LCDs or these icons are still covered. Okay. This is again quite cool. It's not an expensive stuff, but good to have. And then this one is a Surface Pro 7 hub docking station with 4K HDMI adapter, Ethernet port, USB-C, audio and data transfer port. I assume this is again for a... It's basically like a docking station for a tablet. This is pretty cool. It's in perfect condition. At least it looks like. As you can see, there is an HDMI port, an RE45, so an Ethernet and 2 USB-C ports, USB 3.0 ports. It's quite cool, but I assume this really only works maybe with the Surface Pro. I have no idea. I have to figure this out. This is also quite cool. Haha! Look at these guys. It's a mobile phone, Nokia 216 dual SIM. What the hell? Oh my god. Yeah, there are several scratches on it. It's not in the best shape and it does not really worth anything. At least there is a power adapter, which maybe I could use for charging, for example, a PS4 controller, an Xbox controller. Okay, here we have again, this is a magic box. What is this? Oh, this looks pretty cool. But I assume it does not work. And I have no idea how to test this, to be honest. It's phone basically. And there is also an RFID, something like an RFID card reader on it, so maybe you could just use an RFID card and it's opening the door automatically. This is most probably the bell, and there is a camera on it. Yeah, this is quite cool, but again, I do not know how to test this, but yeah, let's see. Okay, then this is a Sony digital dictation machine. This is also cool. 4 gigabytes, so it can record 159 hours. This is also cool. This is like in brand new condition. There's a nice little microphone in it on display. There is a micro SD card slot on this, and you can also connect in addition a microphone and a headphone to it. So basically there are two microphones on it. Let's see if I can power it on. It's beeping and it was blinking. Yeah, maybe the battery is dead. Ah, it's cool. Look at this, there is a USB here. I love it. I have to check this if it works or if it has to be repaired. This could be a cool video. And again a magic box. Ah, this is nice. But it's empty, or? No, it's not empty. It's a Bluetooth 5.1 true wireless earphone. I do not know the brand. Zagzog Bluetooth headphones. It looks like it's really closed. With tapes maybe. Yeah, the Amazon return sticker is on it, but I hope it's not disgusting. Yeah, there is a nice charger box to it. How can I open this up? Shall I press on it or? Oh, the other side. To be honest, it looks like it was never used before. It's not dirty at all. Okay, I have to check it. It is also quite cool. I mean, this is not something, if it does not work, I can repair. I assume at least. But let's see. HiCam HD Wi-Fi IP camera, home security camera. This is also cool. I could use this for my 3D printer, for example, if it works. I assume here we have also a power adapter to it. Yes. And there is a power adapter. 5 volt 1 amps. 1 amp. And I assume you can connect it to a phone or a tablet and to your home network, and then you can monitor. There is also an Ethernet port on it. It's quite cool. And it's most probably turning, yes, it's turning all around and up and down, so in 360 degrees. It's quite cool. It's a small little security camera. Sony WIC200 wireless stereo headset. It's an in-ear. 15 hours Akku battery life. I hope this does not... Oh, okay. This is crap. As you can see, the cables are teared off from this unit, so... But this, maybe I could still repair it if I can take this apart. I could maybe still repair it, and there are also brand new earplugs to it. For sure it was already used, but at least it's not disgusting. Okay, maybe something to repair. And this is a big box. It's a portable TV with media player. With a 10-inch screen. Really well packed. Yeah, there are definitely a lot of scratches here on the display. But other than that, it looks like in a good condition. Let's try to turn it on. We have a green light. And it's turning on, basically. Maybe it is not even a scratch, I could just remove this. Yeah, it's looking for an antenna, no signal. I would need also an antenna to this one, which is for sure not part of the box. Without this... Oh, what's still here? This looks like a remote controller. I hope also the antenna is here. No, this is only the remote controller. Nothing in the box. So okay, this is again something. It could be used as a multimedia player, because it's also a multimedia player. I will check it out. It looks like this is a Belkin. It looks like a docking station. It is also pretty cool. You can plug into a USB-C port, like for example my laptop also has a USB-C port, and then you have an HDMI port, an additional HDMI port, two USB 3 ports, an SD card reader, and this is the PDA USB-C connector for charging, and there is also an Ethernet connector to this. This is pretty cool. We will figure it out if it works, but again, as I see, it looks like this is not possible to take this apart, or maybe here, I have no idea. If it works, this is pretty cool. But if I can make it work. Again, an eBay box. Belkin Powerhouse charging station for iPhones. Oh, this is really heavy. This is pretty cool though, again. 12 volt 1.6 amps. And then there is a potentiometer in this. I have no idea what can you do with this. and you can put your iPhone here. I assume it's charging, and here you can put your iWatch, I assume. The problem is I cannot really try this because I have an iPhone, but I don't have an iWatch. And the Logitech K270 keyboard, wireless keyboard. I hope this time the receiver is included. I'm just checking that this is the exact same model I have myself. But this one is with a white or gray back, and here we have the receiver. Cool. So this one is in a really good condition. Also the stands are still present. So we will figure out if this still works or not. Sure, no batteries inside. Yeah, this would be cool. Something exciting again, look at this. Xbox One and Windows 10 Razer Wolverine Tour Edition. This looks again pretty cool. I love these controllers. These are all these special editions I have never seen before. Maybe it's my fault. Okay, there are some hair on it. The joystick looks absolutely okay. The buttons also. All the buttons are okay. Nice and snappy. There are these pedal shifters also here. I have no idea what are these here for. This again looks pretty cool. It definitely needs a cleaning, but other than that it's in perfect condition. So yeah, let's try to turn it on. Could be that the battery is dead. And we also have a charging cable to it. Cool. And this is really high quality. This itself worth a couple of bucks, I'm pretty sure. But this is something, if it doesn't work, again an amazing things to be repaired. I'm pretty happy about this again. And yet again, a Logitech MX Vertical mouse. I really hope this time I also have the receiver, because I love this mouse. I would be happy to use it myself. And as I see, I will not be so lucky. No, it's definitely not here. Oh. It's actually working. Or are this? Or maybe this is just Bluetooth and I can just pair it with my computer. This could also be. Okay. I have to figure out this. Maybe it's only my fault that I'm looking for the sticks, but I assume this is the position for the wireless receiver. So I assume it should be. But okay. If it works via Bluetooth, then it's pretty cool. Okay, then, and an Oral-B Vitality electric toothbrush. For sure the head I will immediately throw away. Or this is just the packaging. Could also be. Okay, this is yet again Razer Series X streaming microphone. It's again in quite good shape. And there is something else inside. What is this? Ah, okay, the stand. And this looks again something interesting. It's a Canon Selphy compact photo printer CP 1300. This is pretty cool. If this would work or could be repaired, I really hope the fault is not that the toner is empty, and I hope it's not broken into pieces. We have a decent power supply. Okay, and you have all different kinds of plugs, AC plugs. This is a UK version, and there is a EU version, but it's crazy. Why are there two? There is a Canon power supply inside, and there is another Taifu adapter inside. I have no idea. Why are there two of these? Look at the essence. I mean, it's in pretty good shape. There are some scratches, but only on this foil. Yeah, if I remove it, it's like brand new. I definitely have to clean it up. There is an SD card slot on it. Nice little display. As I see, it works via Wi-Fi. Battery release. So it might work also with batteries. Ah, okay, you can put here, I assume, something like a DSLR battery, and it also works on battery then. And there is the DC plug. This is really cool again. I love it. This is cool. I'm really interested if this works, or if not, what's the fault on this one. This is just again another Sony Blu-ray disc player. This is already the fourth one, I assume. I don't know if these are really all crap, I mean faulty, or what's the problem with these. But if yes, then it's cool to be repaired. Okay. Again, a wireless mouse. This is looks quite dirty, to be honest. Oh yeah, and this rubber thing. This rubbery. Yeah, the scrolling feature does not work anymore. And it grows. Ah, it's pretty disgusting. This is disgusting. It was maybe never cleaned. Oh crap. Sorry guys, I have to wash my hands after this. And then this is like a smartwatch, just in a plastic bag. Crazy. Oh, this is actually a quite nice one. This is a Samsung Galaxy Watch. This is quite interesting. What I see, it looks like the display is slightly off. I don't know if it was taken apart before or what's going on with this one. Let's try to turn it on, because this would be cool again. I don't know which button shall I turn to turn it on. How to charge this? I assume this has to be charged wirelessly. Sorry, I'm stupid to this. If I put it onto my wireless charger here. Yeah, okay, I will mess with this one later on because this is quite interesting. There are some scratches on it on the edges here. I hope it was not taken apart and messed up. Yeah, this would be cool to be repaired. Samsung Galaxy Watch. Okay, not that many things left. But here it's again a nice USB seal metal triple docking station. This is again pretty cool. It's again nice. Yeah, you can also put here your tablet, I assume, and then maybe you can use it for your tablet. Because I could basically plug in. I have to check this. This is pretty nice, full aluminum. There are a lot of USB ports, an Ethernet port, SD, micro SD card, VGA, and also a display port and HDMI port, and a PD3 port, also a charging port. This is quite nice. And this is again something cool and looks expensive. This is a Jabra Elite 65T in-ear Bluetooth headset, and also microphone included. So this is again something quite cool. Let's hope it does not gross. How to open this? Okay. Look at this. It's upside down. This does not grow. Nice. Yeah, they are in really good condition. I assume this works as buttons here on the side. This one is definitely clicking. Come on, camera. This one, I have no idea. I have to check this later on. And there is the nice charger or storage, and also charger inside. It turned on automatically, I assume, because I opened it up. Yes, as soon as I open it up, the LED turns on, and here I assume you can charge it up. There's also something cool. Yeah, the problem with these ones is most probably if this is faulty, it cannot really be taken apart. I can see there. Maybe it's possible to take it apart, but I have no idea. Let's see. And this looks like a DDR4 memory, HyperX 38 GB of memory. DDR4 CL16, 2666 MHz. Okay, but I assume this is most probably really faulty. Actually, let's open it. I'm interested in if it's not broken or something like this, but it looks like it's in one piece. Really well plugged. Actually, to be honest, this looks to me brand new. There is not a single scratch. I don't know how well can you see, but on these pins There is not a single scratch. It would be cool if it would just work, because then I immediately put it into my computer. Yeah, this is again something we have to figure out. I cannot see any damage on it. Okay, this is cool. I know I already told this several times, but really I could find really cool stuff in this box. Okay, this is a Philips 128GB USB stick. Oh, this is also cool. Even if it does not work, it's something to be repaired or something like this. Yeah, it's in a perfect shape. Not a single scratch on it. Let me plug it in. It's easy. It's blinking already. No, basically my computer is frozen from it. Okay, something to be checked later on. I will just put it here. And this is the last item, guys. It looks like a headphone, a gaming headphone, Viro Plus USB Pro Gaming Headset. I have never heard of this brand before. Maybe it's my fault. Maybe it's really a big brand. I have no idea. But actually it looks quite nice, to be honest. There are aluminum plates on both sides. It's quite heavy. It looks like brand new. This frame is some steel frame, so it will not break. Never ever. And there are two replacement earbuds to this. So what I miss is I assume a USB cable. But it should not be that difficult. Yeah, there are just not USB cable. Sorry, there is a 3.5mm jack cable, but I assume I can just use a standard one and that's it. Actually, this looks quite good. Looks quality. For sure, I still do not know if it works or not, but yeah, so okay guys, so that's all for this video. I finished up my huge box. I'm super happy about this, how it turned out. I could find a lot of cool stuff inside. I hope you also enjoyed watching this. What I'm going to do and which will take forever, testing all this stuff. And I will come back later on with repair videos from the faulty stuff. And maybe at the end I will also make a summary video about this. Which works, which does not work, and so on and so on. So I hope you enjoyed this, guys. If yes, please don't forget to like the video, please subscribe to my channel, and I hope I see you next time. Bye!